The SecPro Gladiator Beast package is a comprehensive body armor bundle that offers protection for any situation. Our unique kit includes one Gladiator Tactical Vest, two 10x12 level 4 ceramic hard armor plates, two 6x8 level 4 ceramic side plates, and one set of Gladiator Ballistic Accessories that includes shoulder, throat, collar, biceps, groin, and lower back padding. The Gladiator package features full Level 3A coverage protection, meeting or exceeding NIJ standard for body armor. Fully adjustable foam padded shoulder straps, 360-degree MOLLE design, padded spacer mesh on the vest's interior surfaces for maximum cooling capabilities. Multiple sizing points in the shoulders and waist allow you to fine-tune the fit of your vest. The SecPro Gladiator Beast package is proudly sold at SecurityProUSA.com.